Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use GitHub Desktop with a Bitbucket repo. Let's get right into it. So make sure you have GitHub Desktop and then go to Bitbucket. This is my repo, I created it, it's empty, and I want to push and pull from it using GitHub Desktop. So there's a few things you're going to need. We're going to be constructing a URL, and then we can use that URL in GitHub Desktop to access the repo. So firstly, go to your profile and then look at the workspace that has the repo you want to push and pull to. It will also be in this section of the URL. Copy that and paste it somewhere. After that, click on the repository that you want to work with and make sure you can see the HTTPS URL. As you can see, you'll notice a username here, then at bitbucket.org. You want to copy and paste the username, so this bit of text after the slash and before the @ symbol, and I want you to paste it somewhere as well. Lastly, I want you to copy and paste the end of this URL, so after the final slash, which will contain your repo name and .git. So copy that and also paste it somewhere. Now, there's one more thing we need to make a URL that works with GitHub Desktop, and that is we need an app password. But how do we get that? So to do that, you need to click on the little settings up here, and then go to Personal Bitbucket Settings. Then you need to navigate to App Passwords. Then you can click on Create App Password. You need to give it a label. I'm going to call it Epic Password. And then you need to basically define what permissions you want this password to have. I strongly advise you actually go through all of the permissions and determine what you'll need, but I've just ticked them all because why not? However, for a repository you'd probably want to have pull requests and repositories, but once you've selected all the settings you want, you can then click on Create. And here is the password. Now, I'm just going to save this now. This will be deleted by the time you're watching this tutorial, so if you try and use it, it's not going to work. But basically, you need to copy this, and if you want to make a note of it somewhere, make a note of it somewhere, because you'll never be able to view this again. However, if you do lose it, you can just create another app password. So once you get it, be sure to copy and paste it somewhere safe. Then you can click on Close. And if you want to revoke access to a password, you can click on the Revoke button, which I'll be doing after this video. Now, we have everything we need to create a URL that will allow us to clone this Bitbucket repo and then push and pull to it in GitHub Desktop. So I've got Notepad open, so we can create the URL we need. Firstly, do https://. Then you want to put in your username. Then you want to do a colon. Then you want to put in your app password. After that, you want to do @bitbucket.org/. Then you want to do the name of your Bitbucket workplace, which contains the repo you want to access. After that, you want to then do / then the name of your repo.git. So here's an example here. It will also be in the description below so you can copy and paste. Now, in GitHub Desktop, we're going to go to File, and then we're going to go to Clone Repository. Then we need to basically select a folder. Once you've selected a folder for this to appear in, you want to then paste the URL into the URL. After that, you want to click Clone. And as you can see, it worked. However, we need to now actually put something in here to push up. So we can click on Show in Explorer, and let's put in a new text file, and we'll call it Jeff. Once you've created the text file, it will be here. We're going to say initial push. Then we can click on Publish Branch. This could take a moment if you have a big project. But we've now successfully pushed this up. If we go to our repo and look at the main branch, as you can see, there is a jeff.txt that's empty. And our message for the commit is initial push, what we did in GitHub Desktop. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.